Welcome back, dear students. So in our today's video we are going to see some basic terms which are part of basic mathematics. So here first of all we have even and odd numbers. So dear children, we know that what are even and odd numbers. Let's revise them. So even numbers. We know that all the natural numbers which exactly divisible by 2, or you can say all the multiples of 2, are known as the even numbers. Like you can say here, even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2, or you can say all the multiples of 2. We call them even numbers. Like you have example here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. And here the two consecutive even numbers, you can see they are differ by 2. Now we have odd numbers. So what are odd numbers? Now all the natural numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2, you can say these are not going to divisible by 2, or they are not multiples of 2. Here I will underline this not. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2 as well as they are not multiples of 2. You can have the examples 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Again you can see here the odd numbers, or you can say the two consecutive odd numbers are also differ by 2. We have some facts about the even and odd numbers. Like you can see there, the sum of any two even numbers is also even. You can take any two even numbers like 2 and 4. When you add them, you will get a 6, which is also a even. And again, the sum of any two odd, you can say any odd number, is also even. Like take any two even number like 1 and 3. When you add them, 3 plus 1, 4, you will again get a even number. And when you do the sum of even and odd number, is gonna be odd one. It will be odd one. Like you can take 1, 2 here, which is a even one, 3 from here. So 2 plus 3 you will get a 5, which is gonna be odd one. So 1 even and 1 odd, sum will be odd one. Again, if you take the product of two even numbers is always even. Like you can multiply 2 with 4. 2 4 you will get a 8, which is a even. So product of even numbers is even. And if you take the product of two odd numbers, is always gonna be odd one. Like if you multiply 5 and 3, which are the odd numbers, you will get a 15 as a product, which is a odd number. And if you take the product of even and odd number, you will get a even as a product. Like multiply this 4 with this 5, you will get a 20, which is a even. So these are the facts which are related to the even and odd numbers. Now if you see the prime numbers, so what are the prime numbers? So dear students, a prime number is a whole number. You can say this is a whole number which is greater than 1 and which is divisible by only itself and 1. Only by itself and 1. This is very important definition. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1. Means 1 is neither prime nor composite. And here prime numbers are exactly divisible by two factors, itself and 1. And we have a composite number also. So children, what are composite numbers? A natural number you can say greater than 1. Which is not prime. You can call them which is not prime is called composite. The numbers which are not prime, you can call them as a composite number. And the number 1, this is a very important, 1 is neither prime nor composite. This is a very important fact. We need to remember this thing. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So friends, we can divide natural numbers as, suppose these are natural numbers. You can take them as a even, you can take them as a odd one. Again, you can divide natural number as into the categories of prime and composite. These are the prime number and this category is what? Composite number. If you take in even, you have a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. If you take odd, we have 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. If you take prime, these are 3, 5, 7. And if you take composite, 4, 6, 8, 9 and so on. So in this way, we can have the set of natural number can be divided in these ways. Dear students, now we have a co-prime numbers. So what are the co-primes? So here you have a two natural numbers. I am speaking about the two natural numbers which have only the common factor of 1. So students, if you have a two natural numbers which have only 1 as a common factor, you can call them as a co-primes. Like I can give the example, a pair of 2 and 3. 2, 3, this is a one pair. You can say both have a common factor 1. Again you have example 3, 4. They have a common factor 1. You have 4, 9. You have 8, 13. You have 16, 25. They both have only one common factor as a 1. So these are the examples you can say of the co-primes. Okay friends. Again we have a twin primes. So what are the twin primes? As the name itself suggests, they must be the prime numbers. So prime numbers that differ by 2, have a difference of 2, differ by 2, you can call them as a twin prime numbers. Like I have pair of 3, 5. You can say these 3 and 5 both are the prime numbers and they have a difference of 2. Again you have a 5, 7. Again you have 11, 13. You have a 17, 19. You have a 29, 31. 41, 43. Again you have 59, 61. 71, 73. These are the prime numbers which are differ by 2 and that's why they are called as a twin prime numbers. Again you have a prime triplet. So what are triplet? As the name itself suggests, there must be the set of 3 numbers. So if you have a set of 3 consecutive, you should have them consecutive which come one after another. So consecutive prime numbers which are differing by 2, you can call them prime triplet, like 3, 5, 7. This is the best example of the prime triplet. Here you have a 3 consecutive prime numbers which are exactly having the difference of 2, 2. So again we have some key facts. Number 1, very important, this is neither prime nor composite. Again we have with us very small prime number, so that is number 2. So number 2 is smallest prime, you can say. Again, one more thing is there. Number 2 is smallest, you can say even prime number. So number 2 is only even prime number. You can say even prime number. And all the other prime numbers are odd one except these two. So you can say every prime number except these two is what? Odd number. So these things I'm saying directly or indirectly. You can say number 2 is what? Only even prime number. I'm saying only even means the rest of the prime are what? Odd numbers. Again, the number of primes is infinite. The number of prime is infinite. And there is no largest prime number, you can say. There is no largest prime number. So these are the things about the prime numbers, even and odd numbers.